Alright guys, we're back here with another unboxing, and let's see what we got in the package today. Let's see, what is this? I don't even remember. A smartphone. Smartphone? Alright, let's see. It's a very odd package. Oh, there we go. It's gray. Cool. An iPhone. And hopefully it will run. Let's try it. It's a little bit scratched over here. I don't really care about that, but I do care that it turns on. That I do care about. And it does. Fantastic. Let's see what else we got in the box. A cool charger thing. I'm not sure if this is the original. And a brand new cable, as well as the little doohickey that you use to remove the SIM cards. So, not bad. Alright, cool. Alright, see you in the next video.